Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Turner Mobile Detailing. In today's quick tip video, I'm going to show you how to not just clean your carpets, but how to detail your carpets using one simple little tool. Let's do it. So before we get started, if at the end of this video you found the information informative and helpful, it helps take your either detailing or just car cleaning skills to the next level, please don't hesitate to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. That way you don't miss any future auto detailing content just like this. So without further ado, let's get these carpets clean. So as you can see here, there's plenty of dirt and debris lodged between the plastic sill plate and the edge of the carpet. In this particular case, there's a vertical surface that the seat sits on that's carpeted, so it creates even more of a wedge between the carpeting and the plastic sill. Even the vacuum crevice tool can't get deep enough down into that wedge to vacuum out that dirt and debris that's lodged down in there. But now, when we use our stiff bristle mini detail brush, that gets right in there, right in that crevice, cleans it right out. Sometimes you have to scrub a little bit. And now when we vacuum, all that debris, dirt, sand, whatever is right on out of there. And we'll get down in here too. So now all that dirt is totally accessible for the vacuum. It could even help you reach dirt that's hiding way back here. In this case, we're cleaning between the Bpillar and the carpet. If nothing else, it helps you loosen the dirt so that when you stick your vacuum crevice tool back there, it comes up much easier. Okay, so we've gone ahead and vacuumed the rest of the area. We are totally free of dirt, debris, and even some pet hair. And this was made possible quickly and efficiently by this little tool. So thanks for watching everyone. I really hope you found this video helpful, especially if you have black carpet like this vehicle does. Even the smallest little bits of dirt left around the edges can ruin the whole job, can make the rest of the carpet look dirty. With a simple tool like the stiff bristle mini detail brush, you can take your carpets from clean to detailed. So again, if you found this information helpful, please don't hesitate to hit that like button down below. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any future auto detailing content. As always, I'm Seth with Turner Mobile Detailing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.